it's been difficult, isn't it, to get out fishing. We just literally had a storm, a tyre, Brendan, Ciara, Dennis, just like every weekend there's a storm, and I've just not been getting out. I did, well, saying not been getting out, I got out in, I think every storm. Luke Ripley drags us out in some appalling weather, and we go out and just make the most of what we can out of a bad situation. But we've had a few fish, a £3 perch and some bits and pieces, which we're pleased with. But yeah, it's not been the best of starts to the fishing year.
Proper pike fishing.
Like a bird on a tree.
Hail, wind, rain.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see.
Right, perch crest here with me and Mr. Willis. He's gonna done it. £3 on the nose. Look at this stunning fish.
The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful. You and me.
Now we're all locked down in this horrible virus thing going around. So yeah, it's given me the opportunity to do some work in my new van, and I'm going to do a full van video, so I'm not going to show you too much about the van at the moment. But what I am doing is a separate video, and this is a video on basically how I'm going to get my kayak right up here. Because so guys, here it is, here's the van, and you can see I can't even reach up there, so lifting a 40kg kayak out there ain't gonna go. And those of you that know, I've got a Hobie Outback, which is quite heavy, also relatively short, so I can't even get one end up and then go up there and then, you know, do my thing, not very easily anyway. So let's look at what I did. So those of you that have got cars, vans and things that aren't as tall as this, I've put a little link up here somewhere for the previous video, which is how I did it on those kind of models, and just a cheap low cost version, which made me able to go out one man loading with ease. We start off with a quick tour of the roof, and I've built myself a deck. This deck really is for me to walk about on the roof, but also if I go somewhere pretty, Scottish Highlands or whatever, I can sit up here and enjoy the scenery. I've got the same principle that I have with the long tubes for carrying the kayak on, so I've got the same thing there, but you can see at the front of this time I've got an electric winch. Right, let's talk you through this. I've got an ATV winch, eBay, £57, taking off the wire and replaced it with nylon rope, just more manageable, less memory, etc. Reef bar poles spaced the same distance as the scud holes on my particular kayak, and they literally run the length and are just bolted either side of the 3 reef bars, and you can see that's just bolted either side. So here's one of the key parts, and this is my kiddie's old trampoline, and I've just cut it into a usable section, and we'll show you what we're going to do with that. In addition, I've got this piece here, which is my trampoline extender, if you like. Again, that's just aluminium poles, so it's nice and lightweight, and I can store that in my van or on the kayak on the van roof. So let's get it up. That's it guys, that's how quick that clips together to go on. Let's take a look at it in action, as I say. We've got part 1. And that's on there, all clipped in. Part 2. One radio controlled winch that's come with it. Get the gist. And then the kayak. So I've got this strap and I've put it through the 2 handles because obviously they're designed for lifting the weight of the kayak, and out through the driveway. I know if you've got a standard non Hobie type kayak and you haven't got that hole, you're gonna have to go out through your scupper holes in the bottom, because it's important you're going to come out the bottom, because you're going to create a harness to pull it with. Is just walk it on. The only reason I'm really holding the back is I don't want it dragging on the driveway and scratching it. Okay, now with it all tied on, it just goes up. So the winch takes the weight, so I'm only there really just guiding it. But I'll go up the top and I'll guide it from the other side. So that's it. That's up, and I can strap it down nicely to the bars. The one thing that I can do is obviously just remove it in the reverse order. go. Thanks for watching.